You are not alone if you think that setting up a Binance account with all those steps and verification they require seems daunting and sometimes overwhelming. But don't worry about it, as in today's video I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process on how to open up your Binance.US account, set it up correctly, and at the end I'm gonna show you how to secure your account properly. This is an easy to follow, straight to the point tutorial, so let's not waste any time and get right into it. First, let's open up our account. Navigate to Binance.US. One quick note, if you are outside the US and want to be able to set up Binance account, then just head over to Binance.com. However, this video specifically is to set up a Binance.US account. Also be aware that there are a bunch of scam websites out there pretending to be Binance, so please make sure to click on the official site, and one little check is to have this little lock icon at the beginning of the URL. I'll put the correct link to Binance.US in the description down below to make sure that you are in the official site. Anyway, once there, go to get started, either here or on top right hand corner. Now plug in your email address and then create a strong password. Yes, I am over 18. Then create an account. Slide this to solve the puzzle. Now you should be receiving an email containing a verification code. This is to verify your email address. I just received mine and it should look like this. Punch the code in. Here it's gonna ask you to secure your account by adding your contact number as a second security layer. Insert your phone number and click on send code. Plug in the code you received and click on enable authentication. Next is to verify your identity, which you can do it here, but I'm gonna skip it for now and do it inside our account. Now our Binance account is open and we are inside our account. Here you can click on this eye icon to make your balance visible or invisible. However, at first we'll have a balance of 0 as we haven't transferred anything in yet. As you can see the green check marks on top, we created our account, secured it, and now we are gonna go through the next step, which is verifying our identity. Now click on start verification. Plug in your personal information like name, date of birth, and obviously you are not gonna see mine here. Once done, go to the next step, and here insert your address information and then click confirm. Read their terms and agreements and accept an agreement. Now you need to choose the type of ID you're gonna submit. You get to choose one of these: driver's license, state ID, passport, or visa. I'll go with driver's license here. Click on the Start Upload button. Read this if you want to and start the verification process. Select your ID type. I select driver's license. Now here, you can start the process over here on your laptop or PC, but because of camera quality and convenience, I prefer to do it on my phone. Select that. And you can either send the link to your email address and start the process over on your phone, or pull up your camera and scan this barcode to get to the verification link. Just make sure to keep this page open while you are using your phone. I'm now scanning the barcode. You don't see it here as it's on my phone, but it's basically asks you to take picture of the front and back of your ID. In my case, front and back of my driver's license. Once uploaded, it is connected and I should see the Binance in progress page pops up over here on my computer. Here it is. It says your documents have been received and are being reviewed. Then go to the dashboard and you are back into your account, and you can check your verification status on top or by going into your account, then identity verification, which is pending for now. This shouldn't take that long. You will be receiving an email notifying you that you passed the verification process and you need to add a payment method to your account to transfer some fiat currency into your Binance account. This brings us to the next step, linking our bank account to our Binance account. You can click on add payment method on top or go to the verification page to initiate the process. Here under the payment management, click on manage. We don't have any linked bank account yet, so go to add a new account to add one. Your payment method could be one of these: ACH, debit card, or wire transfer. Basically, debit card is fast, but you pay fees. ACH takes few more days, but it is free. So I select ACH. Now continue and select a bank you wanna link. To authenticate it, click on continue. Here I pause recording where I put my information. Once done, you should see your bank account here, then continue. And now your bank account is added to the list of linked accounts. Go to dashboard. Now you can buy crypto as you are all set. However, there is one very important final step left for us to do, and that is enabling our 2FA, or known as two-factor authentication, to make sure your account is safe and secure. In your account, go to security. Under 2FA, find Google Authentication and click on on. Now you need to install Google Authentication application on your cell phone, which is available for both Android and iOS. Let me open up them both to show you how the icon looks like for you to install the correct one. Once you have it installed, then go to the next step. Now you need to scan the QR code to add it to your authentication list. Then go to the next step. This is a backup page, which is really important, because let's say if you lose your cell phone or buy a new phone, you need this backup phrase to get access to your account, otherwise you won't be able to. So my code here is blurred out, but you need to write this code down into a piece of paper or something and keep it in a safe or somewhere really secure. Anyway, go to the next step. Here it's gonna ask you to put your password in, then it's gonna send a code to your phone, and lastly you need the code on your Google Authentication app that we just installed. Now submit, and here we are, it is activated, though you can disable it here at any time if you wanted to. There you go, as promised, straight to the point with no fluff video. So if you appreciate this, then please be sure to subscribe and smash a like button. So with that, thank you so much guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.